Smart PDLC film needs dry installation. Adhesive privacy film should be stick-on glass only. Not on PC or plastic.
Do not use water under any circumstances. Keep your working environment as clean and dust-free as possible for optimal results. The smart film's protective layer of the non-adhesive side should be kept on the installation until the installation process is completely finished. You may wear nitrile gloves during installation. Using the liquid spray cleaner, spray the glass and use a cleaning roller to remove any dust and/or blemishes for optimal installation. Wipe the glass clean with a clean absorbent cloth. The surface of the glass should be completely smooth and immaculate.
The electrical contact strip, busbar, or the film edges should never be in contact with the metal frame. Don't pull together the busbar wire as it causes a shortcut. The busbar is easy to pull separate with the film or glass. Ensure that the adhesive side is facing up. Do not remove the protective layer until you are instructed in this procedure to do so. The adhesive side is usually marked with a label or a red stamp. Please note, when touching the self-adhesive side, the surface is little sticky. On the other side, no self-adhesive function, the surface is smooth. Very carefully, peel back the first 3 to 4 inches of the protective layer that is covering the adhesive side. Be sure that no dust falls onto the adhesive side. Align the smart film edge with the top edge of the glass. When the film is perfectly in position, run your finger along the top while pressing on the film so that the applied self-adhesive will hold the film in position. Pull away the protective layer slowly and allow the smart film to adhere to the glass under its own weight. Starting at the top, use the roller in a horizontal, side-to-side motion, gradually moving down the glass to disperse any air bubbles. If air bubbles still persist, carefully lift the film. Check if any dust particles have stuck to the adhesive side and remove them with adhesive tape if so, and let the smart film settle again without air bubbles.
Privacy or transparency can be obtained at a moment's notice in both exterior and interior installations. Glass with PDLC film can transform the functionality and appearance of conference rooms, private rooms in restaurants, patient rooms in hospitals, consultation rooms in clinics and medical offices, banks and financial services offices, sales offices in car dealerships and many more such places.
Glass with PDLC film can substitute for a whiteboard, maximizing the utility of a conference room, classroom, or consultation room. It also performs excellently as a rear projection screen for videos, slideshows, or almost any projected image.
There is just no matching this high-end technology and style.